Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Dimma here. In case this is your first time on my channel, welcome. In this video, I am going to be showing you guys how I like to apply powder highlight. I know that some people consider this to be really easy, but it still confuses a lot of people. So I'm just going to break things down in this video. It's also a tutorial for this look that I have on right now. The tutorial bit is not going to be long. I'm not even going to talk through it because the steps are steps that you guys are really familiar with already here on this channel. But I'm going to explain things in detail once I start doing the highlighting bits, like applying my powder highlight. So if you want to see a tutorial for this look and find out the best way, in my opinion, to apply powder highlighter or highlighter period, please keep watching.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart-earned temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. Baby, you can count on me now. When you're falling down, 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 I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there. Leaving you alone is the hardest, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart-earned temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart-earned temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. On your own. Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see
Okay, so this is the point where I always apply my highlighter. I always do it after I've done my contour and my blush. I just feel like it's better you do it this way because some people do it before blush, but I just feel like personally for me, I don't want to go back into this area after I've applied my highlights. I just don't want to mess it up. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be using a powder highlighter by Milani. This is their face and eye strobe palette, and this one is in the shade 3, Golden Lights. This highlighter comes in different shades. It looks like this. Personally, I'm going to be using this shade here. It has about 3 shades all merged in here, but I will be using this one because this is my favorite in this palette. And one thing I like to do when it comes to applying highlighters, just to make sure that my highlighter pops, is that I like to give it some sort of base, because you're going to find situations where you might have a highlighter, a powder highlighter, it swatches beautifully, but when you're applying it with a brush, you're not getting the same effect that you got when you applied it with your fingers. This also applies in situations where the highlighter is just not pigmented, period. It doesn't have anything to do with the brush or anything. Some highlighters are just not as pigmented. What I like to do is I like to go in with a base, a cream product most of the times. I personally like to use cream highlighter, so that's what I'm going to be using in this video. Another thing that you can do is to try and get this area damp, just slightly damp. Use a spray of some sort. It doesn't have to be a makeup setting spray. In this case, this will actually work. This Maribadescu spray that I use in the beginning, you just spray it in this area, and before it dries completely, go over this area with the highlighter. You're going to see that you're going to get something very pigmented, way more pigmented than you would if you just apply this straight out of the pan like that. I'll be using Fenty Beauty's Matchsticks in Cinnamon. Just swirl it in this really nicely, and then I'm going to go over this area with this base, just dabbing lightly. This in itself is a highlighter and it's already giving me a very subtle glow, but I want something that pops. I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter brush. This is the A23, and I'm just going to take a little bit of this gold here and pat it into this area where I already applied the cream highlighter. I'm going to go in and take more of that gold, and I'm going to dust this on my temples, just around this area here. In this area here, I don't really want the highlighter to be as vibrant as it is here. I just want it to show up a bit, but I don't want it to be this much. So I'm just dusting it lightly. I didn't apply a base or anything. I'm also going to apply it on my Cupid's bow and then on the tip of my nose. Lastly, I'm going to go in with a large shader brush. This one is by Zoeva. This one is their Luxe All Over shader, and it's in the number 222. I'm going to take that same gold, and I'm going to pat this same highlighter on my brow bone area. So basically what I've done with this is just I have applied it on all the areas where light would naturally hit my face. If I tilt this way, light definitely hits this area, hits my brow bone area, hits my cheekbone. So this is what I have done. I have applied it in varying degrees, like it's a lot more pronounced here than it is here, but this is the result you ideally want when it comes to highlighting. I'm not going to apply any highlighter down the bridge of my nose because I have really oily skin. First part of my face that gets highlighted on its own once the oil starts seeping out is this area here. So I don't apply anything here. However, if you have normal to dry skin, take the same highlighter and dust it lightly down the bridge of your nose to highlight this area. I will not be doing that because my nose will get shiny later on. So I'm going to finish this look up now by applying a lip color, and that's it. I'm going to line my lips with Zaron's lip pencil in Brick Chick. I'll be using this lipstick by Inglot in number 23. Lastly, I'm going to be using this lip gloss by Inglot in number 94. So yeah, this is how I like to apply my highlighter. I hope you learned a thing or two and it kind of answered your questions as well. If you're wondering about the hair that I have on right now, it's the same hair that I've been wearing for a while now. It's by Chrissy Bales. Chrissy Bales here on YouTube, Chrissy Bales on Instagram. She made this is the custom units, custom made, I don't know, but you guys know what I'm trying to say. So if you're interested in this, just send her a message on Instagram or check her websites. I'll put the link in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.